Well, here it is, Tuesday, July the 30th, and we just had our very, very good friend Terry come in. And here we are, Terry and Andreas, and we're looking at the Beast as it's coming along, and you can see it's starting to tell us what the hell it wants. So we want to do this little video show for you. You'll see the twin pipes coming out of all three blocks, and they'll all be metered into the big torpedo. We have to put the point on the end and then finish it off, but you're getting an idea of what the hell we've got here. Now I'm going to come around to the front just to show you a little bit of the size of this thing. It's going to be similar to race cars of the 1900 to 1910-12 era. The louvered side panel is only on there for size fit. That'll all be completely different. But this again is all original Le France, and we're turning it into a gigantic race car. This is the cast cowl. You can see how it works, and we're filling in from there. Shiftings on the outside. This is the springs wrapped and all ready to go with all the new brakes. Everything's going, but you can see this is basically going to be the shape. You see that top line there? That gives you an idea, and it'll be one hell of a monster, and this will be next year's offering. So just wanted to fill you in. There's the guys. These are the guys that make it happen. We'll see you soon.